Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today our recipe is broccoli cheddar soup. I'm not going to say it's like Panera's because honestly it tastes a lot better than Panera's soup. It's very simple and easy to make right in your kitchen. To start out, I rinsed my broccoli and I'm chopping it up. We're going to need about 4 cups of chopped broccoli. I'm finely dicing 1 large onion. And now I'm going to chop up about 4 large carrots. In a saucepan over medium heat, add half a stick of butter. As soon as your butter starts melting, go ahead and add your onions. Sauté your onions for about 4 to 5 minutes until they are soft. Then add your chopped carrots and sauté with the onions for another 5 minutes. Then evenly pour about 2/3 cup of flour and mix it up with the onions and carrots for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 4 cups of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth on hand, add 4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of bouillon or Maggi powder. Mix it well together to dissolve the flour so you won't get any lumps. And if you do, go ahead and just break them up. Then add half a teaspoon of white pepper and half a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of salt. Then add 32 ounces of half and half. As soon as your soup is coming up to a boil, add your broccoli. I like to add my broccoli in the end because I like it to stay green, and I also like a little crunch to my broccoli and to my carrots, so I don't want to overboil it. Cook the broccoli in the boiling soup for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add your cheese. We're going to add our cheese in batches, and we're going to keep stirring it in to get that cheese melted. We're gonna need 4 cups of cheese. I used mild cheddar, but you can use sharp cheddar or whatever you prefer. After adding your cheese, keep stirring your soup until all your cheese is melted. And then your soup is ready to serve. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. Thank you for watching this delicious, better than Panera broccoli cheddar soup.